What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to another bomb ass unboxing boo. Today, guys, we have Glossybox for the month of August. And guess what, y'all? I think this is their birthday edition. Girl, watch out. So if you guys want to see what's in August Glossybox, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have Glossybox or nah. Okay, my loves, welcome. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Like I said in the intro, guys, today we're going to do Glossybox. I will not keep you guys long. It's going to be a quick little video. And yeah, y'all know how we do. So let's do our shout outs, get into some specs, and unbox it. I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and rocking with your girl. Our drink today is a little Moscato. Cheers, my loves. Let's take a sip. And now, before I get into Glossybox specs, I want to show you guys, give you a quick little update on these two products here. So about a month ago, I received from Teami the vitamin C serum here and the detox mask here. And I have been using these products on and off for like the last 2 weeks. As far as the detox mask here, guys, the green tea blend, I have used this mask probably 3 or 4 times, and I absolutely love the way that it makes my skin feel after usage. So I am enjoying this detox product here. As far as the vitamin C serum, guys, I do feel like it leaves my skin a little more vibrant and hydrated in the morning right before I apply my makeup. So I will keep using this and update you guys at a later date on the vitamin C serum. But the detox mask I have been really enjoying. I do have a code, guys, that I will put here for you to get some money off of your purchase if you decide to purchase either product or whatever product from Teami. So make sure you check that out. I will also have their link down below in the description. Now, let's get on into Glossybox. So this, guys, is a monthly subscription. It is a beauty and skincare lifestyle subscription. This one is $21 per month, guys. And you do receive 5 deluxe or full-size products in this box. And if you use the code Tonya, you will receive 22% off. Yes, I said it, 22%. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. All right, my loves. So when we open up the box, which I did already because I didn't want to, waste any time struggling with this box. So it comes like this. And when we take it out, this is the box. Y'all, look at this. Like, such a cute little bow, pink box. It is their birthday edition. So happy birthday, Glossybox. The box and the packaging is so cute. This is my 2nd month receiving this, guys. They did send this one to me for review. So I look forward to busting this baby open and seeing what we got. So let's not waste no more time. Ooh, look at that on the inside, guys. Too cute. And we have a little card here that says birthday edition right there on the top. And inside they have all of the products that we received in this box. It does come packaged like that with this little sticker. Let's pull that on back. Ooh, we packed this month, y'all. Up first, guys, I am pulling out this Tangle Teaser. This is a professional detangling hairbrush, wet or dry. There we have it right there. Okay, wash, brush, hair, fabulous. Cool. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it has like the little British flag in the inside. So when we open it up, guys, this is what it looks like on the back. And these are the bristles. They do feel kind of stiff but bendable, like it'll catch your hair and get it nice and tamed without making it too frizzy. So I do like that. I feel like it will detangle my hair if I have any tangles or knots, boo, in the back. So this is really cute. I do like the fact that they gave us a brush. So let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is a full-size product. It's the Tangle Teaser, the original detangling hairbrush in the color Sweet Lilac. And this retails for $12, guys. And like I said, you can use this on wet or dry hair. Cool. Next up, my loves, we have from Jecca Black. And this is some highlighting glow drops. It's a primer for your face. Wow. Okay. All right, Glossybox Boo. So this is a, like I said, primer for your face. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free, and it's in the shade Rose Pearl. And you get 20 milliliters of product. Let's see if this is full size or not. And this is the full size product, guys. Okay. Let's see what it looked like. All right, so when we take it out of the box, this is what it looks like right here. It says Glow Drops. Glow Drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy, natural glow. Apply all over your face using your fingertips before makeup. Be fearless, you look fabulous. I love that. And that's what it looks like, guys. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does. So I won't open this. Yes, I will. Let's open it because I'm tempted to see what it looked like. So let's pour a little bit out. Ooh, so this is a primer as well. Wow. Okay. So that's what it looks like on my skin. And let's just kind of shear it on out and see. Ooh, y'all see how it gives it like that nice rose gold appearance? There you go. It blends out really nice. I like that it does leave like a little bit of shimmer, glow, so that you can be beaming from within and under your makeup. And this, guys, retails for $20. It also says a tip here, blend a bit of it with your BB cream or foundation for the ultimate glass skin goals. And don't forget your SPF, guys. There we go. Next up, we have from Freeman, and this is a deep clean dry shampoo. And this is pink clay and peppermint. Oh, cool. Y'all know I'm not a fan of dry, well, I wasn't a fan of dry shampoos, but I actually have been using a couple on my hair, well, my wigs, and I actually have been loving the way that it makes them look when they're like oily and kind of weighed down. I go and spray a little dry shampoo and it kind of like give them a little bit more volume, body, and I love that. And this is for oily hair, guys. It says pink clay absorbs impurities from your scalp and hair. Well, this don't have a scalp, but whatever. And peppermint cools and refreshes. Let's shake it up. Let's see what that squirtle look like. Ooh, okay. Let's spray a little bit. Oh, it smells. Oh, it smells divine, guys. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, I will get some use out of this. And you get 1.76 ounces of product. And let's see what this is. This is the travel size, guys. And this retails for $2.99 for this one. And then we have from Rebels Refinery, the Soothing Lip Balm here. That's the packaging, guys. It's in the shape of a heart. This is very cute. Oh, look at that, guys. This is adorable. And let's pull the top off. Oh, you have to twist it. Oh, and there's the little egg. Let's swatch it on the back. Oh, it smells good too. Well, it's just a balm, so you can't see anything. But this is a very cute concept. I love, love, love this. And let's see what it says. Let me see if I can get it right. Okay, let's see what it says about this. This is another full-size product, guys. Okay, cool. So this is the Geo heart-shaped lip balm in coconut lime. And this is a natural lip balm that has the highest quality of coconut and sweet almond oils to moisten, nourish, and protect your lips, while vitamin E provides essential antioxidants. Plus, it's adorable. It is adorable. The packaging on this is gorgeous, guys, and this retails for $7. Up next, guys, we have from Glossybox Skincare. Now, I know you guys probably did not know, but Glossybox is coming out with some skincare, guys. Yes, I said it. They're coming out with some skincare. I will let you know the details about it at the end of the video, but let's do this product first. And this is the Eye Boost Cream. Okay, guys, so this reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Okay, cool. I like that. Our Eye Boost Cream boosts a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula that reduces the appearance of dark circles and depuffs your under eye area. This is what the packaging looks like, guys. Very gorgeous packaging. And when we open it up, this is what it looks like. And you get 15 milliliters of product in here. And this is a full-size product. Okay, guys, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size products in Glossybox this month. Okay, cool. So this says that this is your first chance to try our brand new skincare range with a combination of elderflower, eye bright, and red seaweed extract. This cream helps to reduce eye bags and adds some brightness. Read more about Glossybox Skincare on the next page, and they do have a whole big old write-up about the skincare, guys. And this retails for $18 for subscribers and $23 for non-subscribers, guys. And you can get this at glossybox.com. Does not come with a safety seal, so we're going to squirt a little bit out on the hand. And not really a strong fragrance. We can rub it out and see. It does, once again, look and feel very hydrating on the skin. All right, I'm looking forward to testing this baby out. Our last little product is a little bonus product. Yes, this is the Snowberry Youth Renewing Facial Serum here. And this is in a deluxe packet. And this is our extra little treat. And it says this is a lightweight serum with copper tripeptide complex and New Zealand honey extract, which hydrates and softens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You're gonna apply twice a day. For best results, apply after each skincare. Okay, you're gonna apply 5 minutes after skincare, and that's what it looks like right here, guys. And you get 1.5 milliliters of product in here, and it retails for $72 for the full size product, which is 35 milliliters of product. Cool. All righty. So let's do a quick recap, and then we're going to do final thoughts. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the skincare, and we'll be done. So we received from Tangle Teaser this brush here. From Jekka Black, these Glow Drop highlighters. From Glossybox, this Eye Boost Cream. From Rebels Refinery, this lip balm here. From Freeman, this dry shampoo. And last but not least, from Snowberry, this face serum. That's 5 products and 1 little treat, guys, for the month. Final thoughts. Well, for this being their birthday edition, I'm glad that Glossybox gave us 4 full-size products. All of these products I actually will get some good use out of, especially the brush, the Eye Boost Cream, the lip balm, all of them really, the spray. I'm not really into highlighting primers for my face because I am oily, but I definitely will try this out because I think that I could possibly make it work during the winter time. So I thought that all in all, it was a pretty decent box for their birthday edition month. So yeah, that's my final thoughts, guys. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn fire. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying? We're going to give Glossybox for their birthday edition a whopping 3.5 to 4. I really enjoyed the products this month, guys. The packaging on this box is so adorable, so cute, and I thought it was pretty decent. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, guys. Let me know if you get Glossybox, if you would consider subscribing to them. Don't forget, guys, if you use the code Tonya, you will get 22% off of your box. So, I mean, check it out. Now, let's talk a little bit about their skincare. So, they do have a skincare line that is coming out, and they will be sending it over to me to unbox and review for you guys. This is just like a little sneak peek of what the skincare will consist of. And we're gonna have deep cleansing creams, moisturizers, night serums, eye boosting creams, micellar gel cleanser, a hydrating mist. So we're gonna have a hydrating mist. So they're going to have a lot of variety in their skincare. It will be launching August 12th, guys. And again, once it launches, if you use the code Tonya, you will receive 22% off. Now, remember, for subscribers of Glossybox, it will be cheaper than non-subscribers. So go ahead if you want to subscribe or just try their skincare out as a regular customer, you know? It will be available on glossybox.com. And like I said, they are sending me a box to unbox for you guys and to review. So I will keep you guys posted on that. So that is all that I have, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with your girl. If you have not done so already, guys, follow me here on YouTube. Also follow my Instagram. We will be having some giveaways going on this month. I'm very excited for our Winter Wednesdays. Very excited about that, guys. So Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, y'all need to follow those. Glossybox link will be down below. The code will be down there again, just in case you guys forget. And that's all that I have. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Take care, my loves.